Alright, you guys, it's all coming together. I still have so much work to do in this room. But this is Tyler's new bed with his desk, new chair, and his photos are up there. His Lego came back. Now this is his favorite corner with his Naruto on the wall, and his book stand remain. But who got George? You got George, George. Sarah, let me see George. Show faves, George. George, and Tyler got bed sheet and pillow.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning. Range Rover, it's pretty. Maria new car. It's a Range Rover. Hi Fizz, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, night, night. How are you guys doing? Say good morning, fam bam.
Morning, people.
Sarah, say morning, Fizz.
Me face.
Tyler.
Wagwan.
Hey.
Wagwan.
She always have to follow her brother. Anyway, you guys, we are on the road this morning, and guess what? My baby boy bed is here. They came this morning. They installed the bed. So the bed is in the room, which is the centerpiece of the room, which we needed before we can finish up the room. Now I have to go back home later and pack in back all of his books, organize some things. But first, you can't have a bed without a mattress, right? No, that can't happen. So we are heading to the home store to try and see if we can get a mattress for Tyler's bed. Hopefully we can get it today and they don't tell us that it can't happen, or 6 weeks as babe say. But fingers crossed we can get a mattress. Also want to look at a few other little knickknacks for Tyler's room. So hopefully I'll be able to accomplish that. So that's what we're heading on the road to do. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged, stay humble, stay honest. Give this video a thumbs up right now. Subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up on all the old vlogs that you've never seen before. And yeah, just binge watch. Yes girl. Anyway, we are in these streets, in these hot streets. Summer is still in full swing here. I haven't gone to the beach. I haven't reached the beach as yet this summer, but I promise you by the end of the week it will happen. Girl, it's gonna happen. Anyway, see you guys throughout the rest of today in these front streets.
Well, one thing for sure, Tyler will sleep in his room tonight. Mattress or not.
But yeah. Alright, Papa says so. If not, he'll jump on the airbed. His room will be back, so it will be okay even if he's on the airbed. But some organizing was well needed. Man, I have one huge box filled with toys, baby toys and toys that they no longer play with, and I'm gonna figure out what to do with them. I'm gonna donate a bunch of them for sure. But yeah, Tyler's room is slowly coming to come, and at the same time upgrading Sarah's room is really looking nice too.
Knocking her head anymore.
Oh no, and big girl sleep in her bed and stay in her bed. In my head, knowing the Sarah that she would come out, but no, she's surprising us. I hope come September with school, she surprised me to behave herself at school and be a nice girl. I don't go to school and bad up the people and Pitney and the teachers. But I think Sarah will surprise us come September. But you guys will be on the journey, so we will tell you and show you all about it. Yeah, so what do you think Sarah gonna do September, honey?
At school?
Yeah.
No, she'll be fine.
The only thing is, I think Sarah won't eat much at canteen.
Other kids with.
She'll be influenced by.
She'll be
But
one of these badass.
she'll be alright. At the school that she used to go to before we went on vacation, she was such a nice girl at school. So let's see come September.
She's only a monster.
She's only a monster at all. She's a little rogue girl. Sarah, which way are we to go?
This way.
Ah!
Which way to go?
She said this way.
This way?
Yes, but that's the way you were gonna go to,
No.
no?
No, I go this way, Sarah.
No, Papa going this way. I was hoping to see her happy. So why you didn't go that way?
So you want me to go that way?
So it's when we normally go this way, when we go in where?
Chinese.
Yeah, for the Chinese or whatever.
Oh. Anyway, guys, we're in the streets. Looking for chair for Tyler
This
room.
one has handles.
Yeah, but not. That one not bad. Sit in it. Yeah, it is. I rather something little like this. Maybe we can find her. This is the one I have.
Did you know this one's more expensive than this one?
Yes, it is. Come, take Teddy. Let's go. Come, let's go find more chairs. Come. Yeah. So we're in the home store trying to find chair for Tyler and mattress for Tyler. Oh, also looking for find something for shoes too. Just to see my options. Hi. Becca?
Here's my bed.
Mm?
My bed.
Sarah, don't go on the bed. Right, that's the light. That's the lamp.
Papa, je voudrais aussi bien avoir ça. Il est bien. C'est drapé et capital.
Assieds-toi sur le chaise.
It's kind of far. The thing is, it's stuck.
No, I wanted to know the
How about this one? This one that can go all the way under. You see, the problem is that if the chair have handle, it can't go under the desk properly for his back. Right. Carry, turn that around. Let me see the price. This how you reach up there, so. Sit. Get up, Ty. I rather them have something that can go under the table.
I'll do this.
Sit on this one, Ty. Voila. Go all the way. Honey, push him all the way under. Right. Sit up properly. Sit up. That's better. That's the best one I've seen so far. This is the bed that Tyler got. Oh, I think we might have to look into lamp section to find lamp.
Want her bed.
And this is the bed Sarah now have. Also look for sheet when we find the mattress, huh? For Ty.
Right, all of this?
Yes.
No,
Linge de lit. We need to
I'm
go
just
back
freestyling
all
right
the way
now.
where we started at the beginning of the first day.
You saw them there?
Yes, because the way we went this way.
Okay.
And normally the mattress is this way,
Mm.
the opposite way.
Oh, you saw a mattress somewhere else?
I had some written.
Sarah, get
I
down.
had some written linge
So,
de lit.
okay. No, don't stand on it, okay? Look at this little mini in our pink here. Pink everything. Come guys, let's not do the unnecessary. We're searching for what we want and keep it moving. I have things at home to do. No, don't go on the bed. Come. Hold on, honey. Let me see how much for these plants. 39. $20.
No, after.
Which one we need? 90 times 190 or 190 times 200?
Same thing. I don't think we find the 200. The 200 is the size of the bed. So when I look
Yeah,
at
but
the
this
bed,
is 90 times 200.
okay.
Then 90 times 200 and 90 times 190 to make a difference. See the difference? It's a big difference in height. So we're trying to find mattress because the bed you measure is how much?
205.
The one down there have mattress in it?
Yeah, but
You want to go look to see what is written on the mattress?
You can go look at probably 190. You see, you have a little difference.
Sarah, come, we're going down to the bed. Somebody got the mattress. Think we found a chair for Tai. This one. He looks really comfortable in this one. Cushion for the back will hold perfectly under his desk. Which one is that? This one is not bad, but I prefer the other one for the same price.
I don't know which price is that.
This, oh no, it's a table. Oh, I think this one is that one. Alright, we'll stick to this one. We'll stick to this one, Tai.
We're going to buy this one's model.
This one.
This one you're going to take it and go. But this one.
Look, see Papa have it.
This one.
Yeah,
How do you know?
because we look at the number.
Which
Sarah! Who got George? You got George. Sarah, let me see George. Show faves George. George and Tyler got bed sheet and pillow. The heat's in the streets hot. Hot. Eat your candy. No juice. We just give you juice. Yes, ice cream. And next day. Come on. No, let's go. Hey. Eat the candy. Miss say she got so excited when she saw George. We couldn't leave the store without getting her George. It's her first George. You got George? No, you have the... At the last home store looking for plants and curtain, and look at these two. They're on the beach. How much is it? Trying to find two plants. Look under the bottom. Nothing? No, not on the other one?
We got them.
Of course, it's here. It's still there. Let me see how much for it and tell you how money we pay for this one. Because I have two of these. You see how much for this? 80 for one of these. And we have two of these. How much for that? 50? I guess 50 is the price. Guys, it's only me. We've been back and been so busy still in this house. Still a mess, but we're trying to get through. Tyler's room is coming together slowly, but now I need to make dinner for my bam. So I'm making salmon. I have some salmon seasoned here, so I'm gonna throw that into my air fryer to make that fry. And then I already have some pasta for the kids that I made at lunch. And then I'm gonna do some veggies for me one night. What kind of veggie that is, you'll see. But that's what's going on. Hey!
Mama,
What's wrong?
I'm playing.
What did you do?
I'm playing Papa's room.
You played in Papa's room, and what Papa said? What did Papa say? Hmm? What did Papa say?
What did Papa say?
You did something. That's why Papa said what he said. You have to tell me what Papa said. Here goes dinner for everybody. So everybody plate kind of have a little bit of different things today. So that's Tyler's, mine, Sarah's, and Babe. Dinner for the time, Babe. Alright you guys, it's all coming together. I still have so much work to do in this room. But this is Tyler's new bed with his desk, new chair, and his photos are up there. His Lego came back. Now this is his favorite corner with his Naruto on the wall, and his book stand remain, but I changed out the broken baskets, put in some fresh ones, and take out all the books that he's no longer using, organize all the games and everything in that section. So I am waiting on his carpet from Amazon to come, and to put back his clothes in his closet, and to put back some things up here, and his room will be complete. So while we were busy in there working, my daughter is busy here sleeping under the Eiffel Tower. What a life. Look at her. You ready to sleep in your new bed? Yes.
I'm watching TV sports.
You're watching sports. Say good night to Faves.